Captain America jumped out of a plane without a parachute. This is insane. The Quinjet he jumps out of flies high enough to be in the clouds. This is reaffirmed when we see Cap's descent.
He wearing a
Clouds
parachute?
begin around 3,000 to 6,500 feet above sea level, which means this is even wild for those with superhuman strength. At that height, he was falling at speeds around 120 to 150 miles per hour. At this rate, water does not compress easily, creating significant resistance, meaning it will be similar to falling on solid ground. To put this in perspective, professional cliff divers leap from heights around 90 feet into water, and even then, they risk serious injury if they don't enter perfectly. Captain America jumped from thousands of feet high, at speeds equivalent to falling from a skyscraper.